What go on, Nikki? How would I cook?
Today I'll be cooking Jamaican brown stew chicken with rice and peas and plantains.
I would teach you to cook stew chicken.
It's a recipe I learned from my Auntie Sonia.
Auntie Sonia? Oh, does.
Right now we have a few pieces of chicken breast and chicken thighs.
Nice. No, wait, hold on there. You wash the chicken? Oh, you never washed the chicken, Nikki?
Might as well just add the beans now.
Hold on there. You said rice and peas?
The rice is basically done.
Wait. A rice and peas that? No. We need a closer look. And the rice and peas is a soup. So, our brown stew chicken and the chicken even brown. You don't understand? Yo, come on to the kitchen. Left. Hear me I say no. That was not Jamaican brown stew chicken and rice and peas. If you don't want to know how to cook real Jamaican brown stew chicken and rice and peas, roll my blood intro. Refinery29, you should be ashamed of yourself. It's time for a real Yaadman to restore the honor to brown stew chicken and rice and peas. Chef Boy Yardie Bumbo! Alright, you ready? Zine, see it here. Alright, first thing first, see the chicken here? See this chicken? Jamaican people only eat clean meat, wait. Whoa. We wash our meat before we eat it. Zine, we wash our meat, we don't wash it with soap and water. We need to use lime, lemon or vinegar. Boom bam. You see me? After you wash your meat, you just throw off the vinegar. Boom bam. My meat is clean. Alright, boom. So after you clean your meat is the most important part. You need to season your meat. Kind of seasoning, babe. So you see after you season the chicken, you're supposed to rub it in there and massage it. Massage it like your gyal, like our back of earth are. And you try to get lucky tonight, you see, just massage it, just rub it in good. But little all-purpose seasoning, rub out the meat. Scallion or chop up right so, because bad man don't call it green onion. We have the onion, we have the sweet pepper, because bad man don't call it bell pepper, and we have minced garlic. And right so time. Now before you know Jamaican people come roast me, the whole of this wash. It done clean already before it chop up. And while I have this little scotch bonnet right so. You take your veg and you just. So look at presentation. The green and the gold. You see it? Does that remind you of anything? I cannot stress how important it is to beat the meat. I mean to, you know, season the meat and massage it. Massage the chicken like you're on your foot. It does two things here. One, it tenderizes the meat when you massage it. And next thing, two, you get all the seasoning and all that goodness right into the meat.
I do not have any browning to brown the chicken, but instead I decided to use a whole heap of seasoning, some pimento and all them things there to make up for the lack of browning. But trust me, it'll go brown. This now go white.
Also, as you can see, Jamaican people don't believe in a pinch of salt or a pinch of pepper. We believe in seasoning. Yes. Question from the people them who can't cook. How you know when the oil is hot enough? How else you gonna find out if the oil hot enough? Just take a piece of the vegetable and alright, it's hot enough. So just take the meat. As you can see, while you're frying up the chicken, you want it to get a little brown. You understand? This is nowhere near ready. Jamaican people do not eat raw meat. We're going for a color kind of like this. You see that? chicken fry up and chicken brown. You're going to put it to the side. So you see this right here, so that I use to season the chicken. What I'm about to do with this, look here. Jamaican people do not waste seasoning. Seasoning is love. Seasoning is life. Put that back in the pot. Yeah. And so with chicken, that gone back in the pot too. And now the most important thing about brown stew chicken is the stew. You need to cook the chicken in a stew. We make the stew. We put all the chicken marinade back into the pot. You see this? As I say, Jamaican people do not waste seasoning. Rinse this out with a little bit of water and throw it back in the pot. Make this simmer down. Stew. Look at that. I will not even finish yet. Grace tomato ketchup. This is not no American ketchup. This is not no Heinz. This is real yard Jamaican ketchup. What the ketchup do? It give it a little bit of thickness and a nice flavor. Just rub it in there. It's when you cook in Jamaican food, listen to me. One of the most important things is gravy. Listen now. Juice may be temporary. Sauce may be forever. But gravy is eternal. You see, the chicken cook already, you know. Chicken done cook. But you see, right now, if you have potato or carrot that you need to add, that is when you put it in. The carrot them done wash. So Jamaican people, me know stay already. No bother with it. Them wash. Alright, so the chicken done. What we're gonna eat the chicken with, we're gonna eat the chicken with rice and peas. The rice and peas done cook already. But here's some tips for people who going to cook or trying to cook rice and peas. Yaadman don't use peas in a can. We pressure the peas or make it soak overnight. Bomba man. See it here. So this, how we gonna do? Heat that up. You see that? Rice and peas, whole heap of peas, scotch bonnet pepper in the corner, piece of scallion right there, so you see me? This is rice and peas. See that? It not wet. The rice not white. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Yes. Thank you God for real Jamaican food. Amen. Bomba! Oh yo, it's your boy Yaadman Etan, aka Chef Boy Yardy. Support me, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, give this video thumbs up, give me a like, comment, share this video, help this video go viral. Let people know what Jamaican food is supposed to look like. And if you want your own real Yaadman merchandise, click the link in the description. You can also support me on Patreon. Yo, people them, it's been real, and I am a Yaadman.